Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and today I'm gonna take you to this wonderful moment in which I wanna show you my quarter journal. It's almost finished and look how thick it is now, and also what are my ideas to finish making the cover. So I have many ideas in my head about how to finish this journal that I obtained cutting a magazine like so, and also having the opportunity of doing a lot of collages inside. It's almost for free and with a lot of beautiful images from a magazine. So today what I'm going to do is giving the cover a different look, and I'm super happy that you're here so you can help me taking these decisions and everything I need to do for this amazing cover. So the first idea I have is putting this cardstock. I did this embellishing with stencil and also with acrylic paint. This is super easy and I have a video on that. I'm gonna leave a video up here about that, the making of these wonderful embellished cardstocks. And also I'm gonna link up here the video in which you can see step by step how I did this journal or college mini journal or quarter glue book, and you can get inspired and do the same. So let's start. um, I'm going to show you kind of a little bit of the what I have already in this journal, and it was a very fun experience. I will say that this is almost addictive because you start and then you start creating and creating and you can stop. Look at, for example, I added these cups here. They weren't part of the illustration at the beginning. So I had that glass and then those cups and so on so far. So this is a lamp. It's kind of a very ethnic lamp, and I glue it on top of her shoulder. This is related with ethnic style. Then I did all this beautiful diamonds around this model here. I just left this number 457 because I like it. This was a pair of earrings. I took one earring and I just glued here, and also I glued the lady and with the flip-flops there. I did this with you guys, so you can go ahead and look at it. You can watch this video. I'm gonna link it here, and so you can see the step by step. This page I haven't done too much on this one. I have a few pages just the way they came out from the cutting of the magazine, like this one. By the way, I added a butterfly here, and today's theme is very much about butterflies. Look for an advertisement about watches. I just cut this and glue it on her ear, like pretending that it was an earring. This is still empty. I need to work on this. Look at this page. I created something for this perfume. These of course were in here, so I glued them here on top. Probably you can see in there and here. So this came from another page, and this is very about glamour and everything. This wasn't here either. This wasn't here. So it's collaging and I really love it. I have a video for that, and I can also link it here so you can go ahead and click and look at them. I guess this is beautiful, and I combined this fur of the coat with the foam from the beach, and I love the effect that I obtained and so on. So I placed this crystal cup on top of that ball. This was mostly here, and I add this ring. I don't know, I probably want to work on this one. I'm probably gonna leave it just like that. This was amazing. I had a bird on top of her jacket, and let me see what else do we have. So I'm giving you a flip through on this amazing quarter glue book. Look at that beautiful thing. I'm gonna leave the link here too. For mostly every one of the collages has their own videos, And look at that, I glued that cup on her shoe. This is a candle earring I made and I place it there on her ear. And what do I have? Oh, for this page I need to add, as it says psychic or psych, I need to do like something very, very psychedelic here. So I can probably go like this. I want to leave this word. And also I fussy cut all that image and left that on this side of the paper. Probably this is going to be on another video. And another idea that I want to tell you is that you can always glue two of the pages together. Like for example, you are out of ideas and you don't know what else to do, what else to invent. So you should go ahead and glue two pages together. So I did this with this one. The images inside here weren't inspiring me anything, so I just glue them together and end of story. This is a very beautiful one. I really like it so much because I added all these beautiful flowers on top of her. It's like she is lying down and all those flowers are growing from her back. And I still need to glue this one. I haven't made the decision, probably on her hair or probably here or probably all the way to her foot. So this is two empty pages, still I have to work on them. I love that fur from those slippers. So this is so far what I have. This lady here is wearing something inspired in flowers, so I like it, and I complete it with a purse. This purse wasn't here, so I put it there and I wrote this, the bag, two pages glued together again. And let me see, so we can start doing our work for today. This is a library or bookshelf, and I just fold it in half and glue it on top of this. I guess it matches perfectly with the guy. And then I fussy cut that heart and I put it here. Probably he is in love. And this is kind of having, I don't know, she's having like a bored face or something. So girl, go take a nap and rest. So I place here nap time. And that was a tapestry from somewhere, and then I put it here. And I left this empty, or this is being shown because it's very, very interesting what they say in here in this paragraph about Ryan Destiny. So it says, I want to be part of project that means something. So whether or not they win awards, I want to be a part of things that push me culture forward and touch people. So I really love everything that is written here. So that's why I left it there. So I have a couple of more of things to do, and I finished this one. I am in love with this one too. I found this image. As you can see, this is the bottom part from here. So I glue it there, and I have this lady like dreaming or feeling the touch of a rose or the smell, I don't know, but I really love it. So as I told you at the beginning, this is super fun, and you can have it everywhere and you can work on it. So the idea that I have, and the first moment I was thinking, I also like it to leave it like so. So I really haven't a decision about placing a new cover, but now that I'm seeing it on camera and I'm talking to you, I feel like it's gonna be better to just leave it like so, because it has its own personality and I don't want to change it. The fact that I placed this on top and that on the back, it will change the total feeling of the quarter journal or quarter glue book. So I'm deciding here with you, but I'm just gonna like so. So this is gonna go away, and what I'm going to do is giving it some little details. Like I love butterflies. I'm in the mood of butterflies in these late days. So I can probably do something here, and I'm gonna aim the camera so you can see better here. And probably I can place that butterfly on that shoulder there, and then use some thread. I have orange, well, I was matching these embroidery threads, I was matching them with these colors. But now that I have the decision of leaving the cover as it is, I'm going to go and look for more colors so they match better with what I have here. So let me see, what do I have here? So let me see, I will go more with red. I don't think I have red. Let me bring the whole thing. Yes, I have a tiny bit of red here. Oh, look at this spoon. So cute. Okay, oh, I have a little piece of red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to match the butterflies with the colors of the thread and then embellish the cover. I like to use this embroidery thread because they give texture and dimension to what we're doing. So I really like to place them under the butterfly, and also they give the sense of the antennas. And so, yeah, I like them. I'm gonna pick probably this that has a red and yellow, and I'm gonna get rid of the little bit of white around here using a Sharpie, black Sharpie. And you see that they change immediately. As soon as you pass with the marker, you give them a nice effect. I'm gonna show you a comparison so you can see how different it is. All right, so this is one with all the marker around, and this is one without the marker. So you can see how it gives depth, and it's totally different. So I like it. I'm gonna do it with all of them, and I'm gonna go ahead and just glue this on top of that. And probably I'm gonna go with probably the same color. I'm gonna use this red butterfly with the red thread. Okay, so we're gonna go here. You can also make the antennas using Sharpie on top of the cover, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because I'm using the marker. You see? Okay, so I'm gonna start gluing this first one, and then I have a second one ready, and probably I need to have what about having a blue one just for contrasting. And for this one I'll use probably orange. There's a lot of black around here in the cover, but yeah, we can do a tiny bit of black. So let's cut this tiny piece here. That's gonna be for that. And probably I can have that blue, or yeah, let's give more color with this. And I will just, break the contrast here, or enhance the contrast with a little bit of orange. So let's do this a little bit fast so you can be able to see the whole process. Remember that you can always subscribe to my channel. You can always leave me a comment, thumbs up if you like my content. And also we can share ideas. Let me know if you are gonna make your own quarter journal or quarter glue book. All right, it's time for the glue to appear. And I had it like upside down so I don't have to wait too much. Okay, let's decide. So we said that we're gonna have that on her shoulder, and that's what I'm gonna do there. All right, we have our first butterfly. It looks amazing. I love it. And now let's open this thread. They come with 6 little pieces of the strings, right? So you can use, I'm using 3 of them, half of them. So that's what I have. I have my glue, my finger, and then we can do in the E. The butterfly always helps you to hold the thread in place. And so what we're gonna do is just add some glue. You can glue the butterfly completely, or you can always glue half of the butterfly. And so you will have like the wings unattached to your project. Like for example, you can do that, and the butterfly is gonna just, be like spreading their wings. But okay, so I have 3 more. And probably these 2 butterflies that I have, like 2 extra ones, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue them inside. So we are in a butterfly mood today. It's a wonderful day here in Florida. Weather is nice. And this is what we have. Let me know, what do you think about this cover? I particularly love it, and it's completely different, and also it is original, so you're not gonna see this anywhere else. So just try and let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, and how is your experience working with a magazine that you probably have around at home, and now you're going to transform it into something totally different. So thanks for watching, and I see you soon in my next episode. Bye friends. Bye.